taking the court as though, and you're supposed to be taking them.
You want to close? You want to be responsible for it?
And from that, from here, we need protection from henceforth, adequate protection for every member of the Supreme Court. You will be closing
but your Honor, please do hold me responsible for how the public talks. Let us say anything from how the public talks. I'm because I don't talk to public. I talk to the court.
Absolutely. But I'm here educating the public. Well, what the people made all kinds of comments, but we felt that somebody said, "Oh, I understand the opinion, but the layman, the way of it, do not understand." So he says, "We're not writing out there, we're not writing for laymen. We're writing for people who understand the opinion." And we're simply saying, gentlemen, the Constitution says the monarchy, let us interpret the case. Do that and go and get together and solve your problem. You don't want to come up here and say we solve the problem for you, because the Constitution and your procedures is right. So go now and act as for the rules and as for the Constitution. We have to get that. You want else to say wrong, right, in case you got, but you didn't get that from the previous. So the clients, the interpreter, and when that becomes sufficient for them to go and do what is right as for the law. But you get enough information that says, hey, we got a justice minister who interpreted, and so the majority they proceeding, I guess, as per the system petition, whatever. But you get enough information before us, and let's see how the minister will come interpret how we need this right.
He advises the president, the executive minister of justice. He advises the president on how to execute in your ruling. You know what? You see, I don't know about hearing, I know about the document that he wrote. You see, I mean, I don't know about hearing from the grapevine. Please, Your Honor.
Councilor Shepherd, we want to close down and pray.
Your Honor, this is a democracy. It's a democracy. And in a democracy, it's the majority. Somebody might not want to hear the word majority, but it is the majority. Even if I want to fight here, it is the majority.
That will be that.
It is who? The majority. You said you did not recognize the resolution. What was given to you? Signed by 50 members of the House of Representatives. Now, one member
is the majority. Is the majority that is the president. But there is the procedure for that election. Right? It's the majority. But the majority of the people are the same style of the government. The APS power is it over behalf of them. There is a procedure. The law is not procedure for the majority to act. The reason for that is to avoid this chaos. To avoid that, because just the majority, we have to be the majority. But someone who wants to be done properly, the law provides a procedure for the majority to act on every.
the complaint of the 6 members of the House, you say you didn't want to look at it. Did you see the minutes of the investigation? You say you didn't want to look at it. So did you see
And the procedure they follow. And the procedure they follow. All of those instruments would have been looked at. And the procedure they follow. It is just a procedure that we are more concerned with. Follow the procedure. The majority has the power, exercise the power to pay any form that the law provides. The law says, go down there for the 9% who is speaker. That's what the law says. If you need the speaker to be there for the 9%, go to the speaker to section, and then you raise the issue, speaker, we have problem with you, we don't want you. So we want to have the hearing based upon that. And then the law provides that you must be in the due process. After the due process, then your vote, when you vote, then for the 49, when you get the 49 vote, the speaker will automatically make up the short term of the party. Look at our documents, and then you can decide on what to process. That's what it is. And I see the majority that we agree what it must be done. It is upon the law. The law provides all the what law about? What law about? Because when it started, there was a deputy speaker. That's what law about. That's the first law that the law says the speaker. When the law also says in the absence of the speaker, the deputy speaker is speaker of an absence. That also says that. I don't understand why is the speaker not the absent when the majority is sitting. And you say he's present. The majority is sitting. The speaker is not there. They say he's present. He is not present. No. The same question I raised with Carol Johnson today. The same question. I'm not going to repeat it, but no, last for the last opinion. My question was they are finally sending to the road below. Now, how they buy the party? Now, already you coming back, party coming back to school. Go on. None whatsoever. No whatsoever. The mandate of it that you say was to the House of Representatives. Go and conduct yourself in keeping with Article 33, which means any city you have, or you are, minimum and single minority. You let me finish. Because you refer to 2,000 people. You said, why conduct yourself in keeping with Article 33, which means any city you have, there will be or simple majority. Then Article 49, the president of the House shall elect the speaker, who shall be the presiding officer, the deputy speaker, and other officers. Then it goes on to say, if you remove your officer, your speaker, and deputy speaker, you need 2/3 to remove them. Those are the two articles of the Constitution. And we are saying there was no sitting where there was a single majority. You really presented journals of the also there was no sitting, there was no single majority. They have not identified a single sitting, there was a single majority. And we also told you that there are compliance with Article 49 of the Constitution because 15 or members of the House of Representatives signed a resolution to remove this. Now, one signatory has come and said, release her. Now, one signatory filed a petition for reconsideration of that decision. We put all of that things on record. So, what wrong has been done to come back to you?
They signed it, yes, come in, let me pay what I
It didn't happen that way. We show you the minutes. We attach the minutes. We attach the complaint. We attach the journal.
That's what you see that now from the movie. And the time is open to public.
Your honor, in high.
Councilor Sherman, comment free.
God, our prayer.
Don't you have your prayer in your brief? Kindly yield to the prayer in your brief, counsel. Thank you.
You want me to read my prayer to you?
You just sit it there and reflect. You put it on the minutes that the councilor yields to the prayer from TV and brief.
Wherefore, and if you are before going, respondents pray on to declare one, that respondents are not violated the order or mandate of your honor, opinion, and judgment of 6 December 2024 in the Constitution. Two, that the amended bill of information is meritless, unfounded, and frivolous, that the prayer of said amended bill of information is denied, and four, and the attached bill of information is dismissed, reports against the opponents, and appropriate sections of the rules.
Thank you, councilor. Informant, please come and pray. Justice Wright, proceed.
Thank you.
And you will pray. Yeah.
Your Honors, I will commence where my people left off. The question is,
Mr. Marshall, if there is not perfect quorum in this year, please remove the persons who want to fight here. If they do not want to move, let me know to the court with the police. Thank you. Proceed, Justice.
thank you. The question was, or is, what violation of the mandate of this court has brought us back to? Let me answer.
No, don't answer it like that. The question I need to answer
Yes.
first, what is the mandate?
Good.
What is the mandate?
You ordered that the House should abide by Article 33 and Article 49. That's the mandate. That's what you ordered them to do. How do they abide by it? Who ordered who? The Supreme Court.
We, the second that place, when we say we order you, the legislature, we need that place in our opinion where we order.
You made a declaration.
Oh, now you qualify it.
You made a declaration. Yeah, but wait now. That declaration has to go back. The going back is the mandate. Yes.
Okay.
You made a declaration.
Okay.
You said any action. Yes, Your
In a declaratory action,
Yes, Your
the police have to declare rights, right? This no.
Yes, Your
When you declare rights,
Yes.
the parties are expected to govern and say accordingly.
Thank you.
But the court of law give order to say go this right and go and live by it.
Your Honor,
How can you do that? And if you don't give money, they will say go and do X, Y, Z. Good. You declare right. This is the right. Good.
right. It is to go and do the X, Y, Z now, because they are not on it.
But the way you
I don't do it.
the way I did like the X, Y, Z.
Your Honor, you said any action done or taken in violation of Article 33 is ultra-violent. It's illegal.
In my mind,
It's
it's
illegal.
saying you the so-called majority don't proceed to have any sex. That is
You need to say so.
don't proceed to have any sex without quorum. That's the quorum. What do you think of?
That's a question the Chief Justice asked earlier. What was to be done or to be observed as the proposal? What was to be observed at the majority? What was to be observed? This bench said, as long as the proposal sits with the minority lack of a quorum, nothing you can do. You must compel. And that's what said there's no way we can compel because there's no law to that effect. That's what the proposal. As for the so-called majority, the court said that all actions
actually, it's all majority.
Yes, sir.
They put it on the
Now, I'm coming now. That whatever actions they took, which are led and protecting of the virus. We have come to tell you that everything that has happened since December 6th is also of the virus. They have disobeyed.
This could did not answer the question of where the Senate provides solution for right?
Say that again.
They could not pass the issue that provides solution to the issue of roughly.
Your Honor, in my opinion, this spoke in English. This spoke in English. Who can understand English?
Actually, minority, you cannot proceed.
Thank you.
Majority, you cannot proceed without speaker, right?
No, A and B. Majority, you cannot proceed without the quorum, and you also cannot proceed if the speaker does not provide. That's the violation by the majority.
Why you say that?
Yes.
So that left the double people, right?
Yes.
No, that nobody majority, right?
No, John.
So my question to you now is, how do we have the comment?
Your Honor, the function of this court is to make declarations. And declare what is right and what is wrong. When you do that, Your Honor, once this court has made the declaration, it might say you have to put it in jail to gather out of there and George President put it all right. Enforcement of the decision is by the executive branch of government. In this case, this court said, let the House of Representatives abide by Article 43 and 49. Conduct yourself according to what the law is. That's what the court said. And we have come to say to you, they have not conducted themselves according to Article 43. They have not. For example, since December 6th, the acts that are authorized. Number one, they think to pass the budget. That's one violation. Two, they remove. Yes or no?
I think it's a good time for you to pray now.
I didn't say anything on prayer. Your Honor, I will get an answer report. I will get an answer report. But I didn't share it to me.
Councilor, all the things that you read, they are before us, in black and white.
Thank you.
So pray.
All right, let me pray.
You see, I can switch from one person to councilor.
I see you.
No, I'm not saying you. You have got to say pray. You say, eh, that's a good justice, proceed. But now I say, councilor, pray.
I'll pray on. Faithfulness, respectfully. Faithfulness, respectfully, pray on us. Right?
So maybe you're free, please.
Yeah, someone ready? You ready? I'm ready, nothing new. What? I'm ready before you. All right.
This usually pray. Okay. Otherwise, now we cross things.
Government, the informants yield and submit to the prayer contained in the brief and respectful service.
Rudy reserved that as a statement. This is a court case number 5.
So, folks, this is Spoon TV. I'm Sylvester Chipley. We are coming to you live, the top of justice here at the Supreme Court, where this is the formal hearing of the Bill of Information.
Please be quietly, we have other matters here. Councillors, this is not a meet and greet session. We are still in session here. We have called another case. Please sit. Go ahead and call case number 5.
Calling the government management corporation for Nigeria versus foreign regulation of transport sector national traffic management and foreign regulation of
Representation.
That's good. So folks, be with us as we go down to talk to some of the lawmakers who have come to attend this Bill of Information hearing here at the Supreme Court of Liberia. That's good. Still, boss folks, we making our way downstairs to try to talk to some lawmakers.
How will you forget? I've already tell you how to root in your mind.
So folks, Spoon TV, and I'm Sylvester Chiloplay. We are coming to you live from the Temple of Justice. So I'm being joined by my colleagues here at the
Active session in the joint chambers, but they refused. We said, "Hey, there's a no justice proceed." But now I say, Councillor, pray.
What do you need to